Hi, my name is David. I'm going to show you how easy it is to copy and paste a page in GrooveFunnels. First of all, you log into your GrooveFunnels account. Then you click onto the template. You'll only have one at the moment, unless you've got the Platinum Edition. Click on Open Editor, and then if you look at the top left, click on Pages, and next to Home it's got three dots. So you click on the three dots and you say Clone. Then if you look at the top right, it says Save. So click on the Save. It's saying Saving. Okay, it's now saying Saved. So now if we go back to the pages, there we go. We've got 2 copies of the web page. So thank you. That's all for now. Thank you. Bye.